Think you know everything about Ford's legendary engines? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the shocking truth behind one of Ford's most underrated monsters, the Boss 351. And trust me, it's not what you think. In 1971, Ford dropped a bombshell into the muscle car world, the Boss 351. It wasn't just a rehash of the 351 Cleveland. This engine had major upgrades: solid lifter camshaft, forged pistons, high compression, and better breathing heads. It was basically a race engine in a street car. 330 horsepower, 370 feet of torque, revved to 6,100 RPM, and this was all SAE gross horsepower, not the watered down net numbers we see today. Here's the shocking part. Despite its performance, the Boss 351 only lasted 1 year. That's right, 1971 was its first and last appearance. Why? Emissions regulations, insurance hikes, and the beginning of the fuel crisis. The era of big power was fading, fast. It was the wrong engine at the wrong time, or maybe the right engine in the wrong era. Today, the Boss 351 is a collector's dream. With only around 1,800 units ever made, it's rarer than a Boss 429. And on the track, it could outrun some of the bigger names, thanks to its lighter front end and high revving nature. Some call it Ford's best small block V8 ever built. Period. Let's bust a myth. A lot of people confuse the Boss 351 with the regular 351 Cleveland, but they're not the same. The Boss had upgraded internals, a unique aluminum intake, and a radically different camshaft. You can't just build a Boss 351. It was factory hot rodded to the limit. So there you have it, the shocking truth about Ford's Boss 351, a one-year wonder that punched above its weight and disappeared too soon. If you love this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more raw American muscle car history. And let us know in the comments, was the Boss 351 Ford's best kept secret,